Hi there. If you're managing a short-term rental or thinking about getting started, you might have heard of co-hosting. It's when someone helps you manage your listing. Often it's a friend, neighbor, or someone local who can jump in when you're away. But the big question is that setup enough? Or could you be earning more, scaling faster, and reducing stress with the right support? Today, we're unpacking the difference between casual co-hosting and working with Hometime's local hosts, so you can decide what's best for your property and your peace of mind.
A co-host is basically someone you trust to take care of the day-to-day of your short-term rental. Most hosts start by bringing in someone they know to help out, maybe a partner, a friend, or even a neighbour. Co-hosts can respond to guest messages, organise cleaners, update your calendar, and help with things like pricing or check-ins. It's a flexible setup, and it works for a lot of new hosts, especially if you've just got the one property or want to rent it out for part of the year. It's a good idea to chat about payment up front before your co-host gets started. Most hosts simply share a portion of each booking with their co-host. It keeps things fair and clear from the beginning.
Most people choose co-hosts because it's easy. They are familiar, they live nearby, and they're affordable. It's a great first step when you're managing everything yourself and just need a bit of help. But over time, these setups can start to crack. There's often no formal training, no pricing strategy, and no backup if your host is unavailable. Even with the host, you're often still the one making sure everything actually gets done, like hiring cleaners, restocking supplies, and managing the guests. And unless you're keeping a close eye on the details, it's easy for standards to slip. It can be a lot to stay on top of.
That's where Hometime comes in. We're not just another set of helping hands. We're a full-service short-term rental management team backed by local hosts across Australia. With Hometime, everything's taken care of. Hands-on pricing strategy by experts, full guest communication and support, including emergencies, consistent professional cleaning and property checks, styling, photography, and listing optimization to boost bookings. We even offer a homeowner portal where you can track bookings, earnings, expenses, and more. Transparency all in the one place.
So what's the real difference? With a traditional co-host, you're still in the driver's seat. You're coordinating everything from guest vetting to maintenance, while your co-host helps where they can. You'll need to agree on how they're paid, often by sharing the cleaning fee or a percentage of each booking. And while some platforms offer basic pricing tools, most casual co-hosts aren't trained in revenue strategy. That means you could be leaving money on the table. In contrast, Hometime's service is designed to scale. Whether you've got one property or several, we've got dedicated teams for pricing, guest communication, cleaning, and ongoing support. You'll know who your local host is, and they'll know your property inside out.
If your goal is to earn more, do less, and maybe even grow your portfolio, Hometime is the next step. Unlike casual co-hosts, you may be juggling other jobs. Hometime's local hosts employ trusted local staff and manage all aspects of your property, so you don't have to. We offer 24/7 guest support, secure key management, restocking, and even fraud protection. For bookings through our direct platform, and when it comes to visibility, we don't just list your property on one site. We publish it across multiple booking platforms like Booking.com, Verbo, and even Hometime's own direct booking site, so you can reach more guests without the hassle.
So, is co-hosting enough? It might be if you're just dipping your toe in. But if you're serious about returns, reputation, and growth, Hometime's local hosts offer something much more powerful and professional. We've managed over 3,500 short-term rental properties since 2016, and we'd love to help you with yours. Book a chat with us today and discover what's possible when you've got the right team behind you.